Controlling your emotions means not taking things personally. Be able to speak when you should, know what to say, and how to say it. What has helped me immensely is to just play my part like an actor in a play, so I don't take things personally. Just pretending to be an actor may fail if you don't practice your part like an actor would. Further, it pays to practice in front of a mirror and to practice whatever the prospect might do. This way, your facial expressions and your body language don't give you away. The biggest emotional problem is losing your temper. Anything that helps you to control your temper is worth the effort, especially if you are looking to get into management. Losing your temper will bring a lot of negative results. Count on it. Learning to fall on your sword is worth the effort. May I suggest playing the role of the salesperson who has their emotions totally under control? Practice makes perfect. By the way, we have a weekly web-based workshop as part of our program. This is one of those things we help people with, and we look forward to working with you.